Good morning, students. Myself, Kishore Kumar Sinha, your computer teacher. How are you, my dear? I hope you all are fine. Today, I am making a video which will help you how to appear in an online subjective exam. Students, you will get your question paper at your WhatsApp at 8:55 a.m. At 9 a.m., you have to join your online class using Zoom app. Students, you have to set your camera in such a way that teacher can see you nicely giving the examination. I will show you how you are going to set your camera so that you can show your face as well as what you are writing on the paper to your teacher. Just you see this. Now you can see as I can show my face and whatever I am writing, that also my teacher can see. So please, it's my humble request, please set your camera in such a way that your face and what you are writing both must be visible to our teacher. After joining online class, teacher will show the question paper on screen using screen share. You have to look at the question paper and then write your answers. But before writing your answer, you must have to follow the given format. Just you can see that format. Just you can see this is the format. This is the format. Now at top you have to write New Era Junior School Patna half yearly examination 2020-21 answer sheet. Now at the left side you have to write class. In which class you read, that you have to mention. If you are reading in standard 2, you will write 2. Now you have to mention the section. You have to mention the section. And then at the right corner, you have to write the roll number. Now, just you see the left side. Here you have to write subject. Now here don't write all subject. Here which the subject question that will be displayed on the screen, that subject name you have to write. Suppose it is Hindi. So I will write here Hindi. Got it? Now at the right side, you can see date. Which day you are giving the examination, that date you have to mention here. Like today, if it is 31st, then I will write 31/8/2020. Got it? Now, just again, you see at the left side, here you have to write subject teacher's name and with the teacher. Suppose Miss Anita, she's taking maths, then you have to write that teacher name. Because this is the maths question paper, then you will write that teacher name. Please keep it in mind. If I'm taking computer and my question is shown there, then I will write here teacher's name Kishore Kumar Sinha, Mr. Kishore Kumar Sinha. Please keep it in mind. Don't write your class teacher name. Please write the subject teacher name. Now, just downside you can see name of the student. You have to write your name. Now, downside, you must have to write the email ID. And which email ID you will use? That is registered, yes, to the school. If you have provided, yes, ABC, just let me zoom it so that you can see. If your email ID abc1234@gmail.com, this email ID is registered in a school, then that Gmail ID you have to write it, because using this email ID result will be prepared. So you must use that email ID which is registered to school. Clear? Now, just you see. Now, how you have to write the answer? First of all, you have to create these all lines. You have to create these all lines before. Don't draw these all lines when your examination will be started. This all work has to be done before. This all work has to be done before. These lines you have to draw it before. Please keep it in mind. Otherwise, your time will be wasted. Now, just now question number 1. This is my question. Just I'm going to show the question. Yes, question is, why do we need food? This is the question. Just let me zoom so that you also can see the question. Now, what is the question? Why do we need food? This answer I have to write it. So how I will write the answer? Just now you can see on the screen. Yes, I will write 1, and here I will use we need. Yes, we need food to live and grow. Got it? Now, in the next line, you have to write next answer. You see, just now I'm going to show the next question. Yes, who was Ali? This answer I have to write it. Then what I will do? I will go to the next line. Don't leave one line, my dear. Just you go to the next line, write answer number 2 and give the answer. Ali was Asma's brother. Ali was Asma's brother. Same way you have to write all the answers. And if you think that my answers, all answers cannot be completed in one sheet, yes, don't be nervous. Don't think what I will do. You have to use the second page. But when you are using the second page, my dear, you must mention at the top. You see here? Yes, here you must mention what if suppose to complete these all questions you have taken 2 sheets, then you must write, my dear, here page 1/2. At the top you must write. Why? I will say you, as when you will upload these all answer sheets, maybe your first answer sheet will come, maybe other students second answer sheet will come. So in that case, teachers will be facing problem to arrange those all sheets. But if you will write page 1/2, teachers will know, oh, Yes, my student has used 2 seats, and this is my first seat, and next one is the other seat. In next seat, what you will write? Page 2/2. Got it? But please keep it in mind. Just wait. Now, but when you are writing the answers, one thing please keep it in mind. You have to use standard nursery, LKG, UKG, they can use a pencil, but standard one onward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you must have to use pen, black pen. But if you want to use a pencil, no problem. Your letters must be bold. The answers which you are writing must be bold, so that when this answer sheet will come to teacher can check those answer sheet without facing any problem. If you will write your letters light, that means using the HB pencil, whatever the pencil, then maybe when you will take the photo, answers should not be visible nicely. So it's my humble request, either use black pen or use pencil, but write the answers in bold. So I hope you have understood how to write the answers. Now, as when you are writing the answers, listen, first when all your questions answers have been done, then the next procedure will be followed. You have to not try to answer one and you have to take the photo. No, first you complete your all the answers on your sheet, and after that, now it's time to upload the answer sheet. So what you will do, you will go to camera. Suppose this is my answer. You don't think this is your answer. Suppose I'm saying this is my answer. Now this I have written on the paper. Then using your camera, you have to take the screenshot. Yes, first one. Suppose you have used the other sheet, then other sheet you have to take the photo. So if you have used only one paper, no problem. If you have used two answer sheet, then 2 times you have to click photo. Got it? Now, first of all, you have to know where after clicking. Yes, these all photos, where my photos are going to be saved. That location you must have to know. Don't search afterward. This, as you know, you all are knowing when you are taking the photo where it gets stored. Actually, it is stored in the gallery, somewhere in the photo folder, no problem. You are knowing the location. Now it's a time to upload our photos. That means whichever the photos that we have taken, and that is to be sent to, yes, your own, yes, sections of WhatsApp. Now I'm going to show you. First of all, I will go to the WhatsApp. Now you see at the top NEHS standard 1C. Suppose this is my section group. This is my section. I don't know which the section that is allotted to you in your group. So if it is 1C, yes, you will be getting your own, because as all your documents are given to you, yes, to your own sections. So same section you have to, yes, open. Now this is my standard 1C. This is my WhatsApp group. So I will click on, just you watch it. This is the attach button. You have to click on attach button. I'm going to click on this one. Now I'm going to go to gallery. Now it is saved in WhatsApp images. So I will click on that. Sometimes you will see in camera also. So I want this one. Now I will go to this one. You see, these are the answers. You have to know the location, my dear. Now, after doing this, I will click on this button. This will confirm. Understood? You will click on this one. Now, what happened? Just you look at the screen, my dear. Yes, the photo has been uploaded. Just you watch it. Uploaded. If you have the second answer sheet, same way you will upload it. And after uploading, your work will be completed. But you must have to see whether my pictures, my photos have been uploaded or not. If two photos that have been uploaded or not, if you are confirmed, then you can think that my all the work has been completed. But one thing, please keep it in mind. Suppose, as your examination timing is what? 9 to 9:40. At 9:45, yes, your WhatsApp, yes, group will be closed. WhatsApp group will be closed. After that, you cannot post your answer sheet. So please keep it in mind. These all work must be completed before 9:40. I think it should be completed at 9:37. Don't think that when 9:40, then I will do. No, you just complete all your procedures before 9:37. But as you have completed your work, my dear, you don't think that now I will be sitting at my home. No, now you have to go back to join your online class. Please keep it in mind. No students will come out from the Zoom app. You have to join your teachers meeting again. Please keep it in mind. Again, I'm just suggesting you, as your examination gets over, again you have to join your teacher's class. I hope this video will help you a lot. So yes, thank you, my dear.